Struggling to move past rote memorization in your Spanish journey? What if the real secret to fluency isn't in textbooks or grammar rules at all, but in the stories you actually enjoy? In this video, I'll show you how to turn Spanish into an immersive, story-driven experience, and finally speak with natural flow and confidence. Most learners get stuck in the same loop. Vocabulary lists, grammar drills, apps, repeat. You know a lot of words. But when it's time to speak, your mind goes blank. The truth is, your brain doesn't fall in love with isolated words. It falls in love with stories, with images, emotions, and small moments that feel real. That's why at LingFlow we use storytelling to unlock what I call your Spanish flow. And the best part? You don't need hours a day or a private tutor. With one good story and a simple routine, you can turn one video into 3 powerful listening sessions. And feel the difference in just a few days. Here's how it works. This is the LingFlow One-Two-Three Story Method. Step 1. Native subtitles. First, turn on subtitles on YouTube and choose your native language. You'll see Spanish text on the screen, and your own language in the subtitles below. Just relax and follow the plot. Your only job is to understand what's happening and enjoy it. No pressure, no grammar, no stopping every second. Step 2. Spanish text on the screen. Next, watch the same story again. This time, turn off your native subtitles and focus on the Spanish text on the screen together with the audio. Now you already know the plot, so your brain is free to connect the sounds, the text, and the meaning. You start to notice patterns, phrases, and structures without forcing anything. Step 3. Listening only. Finally, watch the story one more time with no subtitles at all. Keep subtitles off, and this time do your best not to look at the text on the screen. Just listen to the Spanish audio and try to follow the story by ear only. You're training your ear to understand Spanish directly, without constantly translating in your head. You begin to feel the language, instead of chasing every single word. And here's something important. If any part feels too hard, or you miss a piece of the story, that's completely okay. Just go back to step 1. And repeat the cycle. Step 1, step 2, step 3, back to step 1. Every loop makes the same story feel easier, more familiar, more yours. If you want to go a bit deeper, you can add speaking inside the same cycle. On steps 2 and 3, sometimes pause the video and repeat lines out loud. Shadow the characters. Copy their rhythm, their intonation, their pauses. You're not just listening to Spanish, you're living it. To make this super easy, I've already prepared full Spanish stories for you. You can start right now with our story playlist on LingFlow Español. Pick one story, follow the 1-2-3 routine, and repeat it over a few days. Don't chase more and more new content. Chase deeper understanding of one good story. So if you're tired of memorizing and ready to finally feel Spanish, click the story on your screen. Start with step 1 and try the LingFlow One-Two-Three Story Method today. 1 story, 3 viewings. Real progress.